Dear maker, welcome back to my channel. In this video I want to show you a really lightweight, simple lotion recipe which is suitable for dry, sensitive skin. I will give you a basic recipe and some variation ideas to make it your own. The ingredients in this recipe can be divided into a part that has water-based ingredients and a part that has oil-based ingredients. If you want to learn more about the structure of a lotion and grab an extra lotion recipe, make sure to download my free lotion guide linked in the description box down below. In chemistry, water and oil don't mix. That's why we need something called an emulsifying wax, which allows water and oil to bind together. In this recipe, I'm also adding a co-emulsifier, which purpose is to stabilize the lotion and make it even more nourishing. This will need to be mixed in with the oils of this recipe. We will start by weighting the water ingredients and the oil ingredients in two separate beakers. In the water part, I'm using distilled water followed by glycerin. For the oil part, I'm using chamomile-infused fractionated coconut oil. We will also add the emulsifying wax and the co-emulsifier. As you can see, it's really yellow because it has soaked in all of the soothing chamomile goodness. Since fractionated coconut oil is not comedogenic, it can be used on the face too. Once you have all the ingredients weighted, simply add them to a bain-marie to melt and heat up. It is important that we reach a temperature of 70 degrees Celsius or 158 Fahrenheit, as this will not only kill any germs and bacteria, but will also ensure that the water part can emulsify with the oil part. Once you've reached this temperature, remove the beakers from the heat and pour the content of the water beaker into the contents of the oils beaker. Be careful and do this a little by little. Since we have lots of water in this recipe, it could separate from the oils if you poured it too quickly. Once all combined, stir using a milk frother or a stick blender if you're making a larger batch. This will speed up the emulsification process. The next step is to check the pH of the lotion and adjust it if necessary using a citric acid solution. The lotion should measure a pH of about 4.5. At this point, make sure that the lotion has cooled down below 45 degrees Celsius or 113 degrees Fahrenheit. And then add a preservative of your choice. I'm using Cosgard. Make sure to download my free lotion making guide linked down below, as along with it I will send you more information about preservatives as well as pH. Transfer your lotion into a clean jar or a squeezable container. When correctly preserved, this lotion should last up to about 6 months, and you don't need to keep it in the fridge. The consistency is absolutely divine. It's soft as a cloud, soothing as chamomile. I use it on my face and body, and it's really been the only lotion I was able to enjoy during my pregnancy, having such a sensitive skin. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below. Have you ever tried making your own lotions? If you want to learn more about lotion making as well as other skincare and bathroom products, join us inside the Make Your Own Academy, where you will learn how to make over 12 different skincare and bathroom products with your own hands, and finally be in complete control of what you put on your skin and the planet.